Hi, good morning, everyone. My name is Chandrasekhar Patil. My internship based on basic of VLS and analog circuit design under the guidance of Mr. Sachin Kumar Patil, Department of Electronics and Communication, AGMR Rural College of Engineering and Technology. Contents about our internship. Company profile introduction, semiconductors, PN junction, bipolar junction, transmitter, MOS transistor, JFET, semiconductor fabrication, stimulation of basic analog circuit using LT spice. Conclusion, references. About our about our company location and founder information is company location Karmic Design Private Limited, Vidyanagar, Hubli, Karnataka. Company founder Dr. S.S. Mohan Shetty with a 16 years of experience in research laboratories of Texas Instruments and 3 in test chip technologies, conducts the course and manages the design center activities. About company was started by two visionaries, Mr. Mark Harvard and Dr. Shivlinga Mohansetti, in the year of 1999. Karmik is a pointer the pointer and the location in the semiconductor design and development industry. Karmik has multiple design center located in Manipal, Bangalore, etc. Karmic Design Services, Analog Circuit Design, Power Management, PCB Design, RF Design, Embedded Designs. Introduction, LT Specification. Original author Mike Engelhardt, developer Linear Technology Analog Device. Initial releases October 1999. OS Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10. Size Windows 41 MB. Mac OS 101 MB. License freeware. What is semiconductor? Semiconductor is a physical substance that is designed to manage and control the flow of current in the electronic devices and equipment. In generally created using silicon, germanium, or other pure elements. This is the type of semiconductor. One type is P type, another one type is N type. P injection, one negative region, another one is positive region. ID is equal to I maximum. Metal oxide semiconductor filled with transistor. MOSFET are three terminal devices with there are gate, drain and source, both P channel and N channel. Semiconductor fabrication. This is ingot growth. This is silicon wafer. Silicon manufacture. Growing a silicon ingot can take anywhere from the week to 1 month, depending on many factors including size, quality, and specification. More than 70% of single crystal silicon wafer. Photolithography. Definition of photolithography is a process of transferring geometric shapes on mask to the surface of the silicon vapor. Oxide growth and removal. Oxidation is a process which converts silicon on the vapor into the silicon dioxide. Diffusion and ion implementation. Diffusion is a movement of impurities atom in the semiconductor material at high temperature. The driving force diffusion is the concent- concentrating gradient. There is wide range diffusivity for the various different species, which depends on the how easy the respective different impurities can move through the material. Ion implementation, the dominant technique is introduce different impurities into the crystalline silicon that's performed with a electric field which accelerate the ionized atom or
molecules so that these particle penetrate into the target material until they are come to rest because interaction with the silicon atoms. Metallization. Metallization is a printing method that consists in coating at entirely glass, plastic, metal with a metal layer that can be golden, silver, green, and other colors. The result obtained is a surface with mirror effect, absolutely not obtained with other printing solution. This is metallization. It is the op-amp macro modeling, basic op-amp modeling. Yes. Differential amplifier. Amplifier is a type of electronic amplifier that amplifies the difference between two input voltage but suppresses any voltage common to the two input. It is an analog circuit with a two input and one output in which the output is ideally proportional to the differential between two voltages. Differential amplifier gain. One is open loop and another one is closed loop response. Output buffer is isolated low power stages. This is the open loop frequency response. This is the waveform of open loop response. It is same as a open loop. This one is a closed loop inverting circuit. This is a waveform of closed loop inverting. Response of closed loop non-inverting. This is waveform of loop non-inverting response. Conclusion of internship. And the whole this internship mainly focused on learning, achieving goals, and provides insight knowledge about professional practice related to study. This internship provides knowledge about CMOS and CMOS analog VLSI design using the software tools like LTSpace. It mainly concentrates on this basic of all analog circuit and how it works rather than building hardware. The experimental and simulated data gives the insight knowledge about all basic circuits. These are the references about our internships. Thank you all. Thank you, sir.